tiny whoop test 1. So I'm going to be flying this inside my room, and once I connect the battery, you're probably going to see the camera feed inside that. And let's go. So it's a lighter connector. So it's all connected, and you can see the lights flashing. Searching for the camera feed, and that's my room right now. So whatever this camera sees, you can see through that, and that's how I'm going to be looking at the camera and flying in my room. So let me just put on my goggles and you the flight time, the used MAH, the final. Oh, you can see me here. Hold on. So that's about that. That's me right there. That's the quad. You can see my room.